eto na naman kami sa daan. Lul. Last minute na naman akong nayayang magpakabangkalan. Kako. Sige, punta tayo ng Happy Cap. Ako yung in-invite pero ako ang nag-decide kung saan pupunta. Lul. Although minsan na rin naman naming binalak na pumunta ng isuggest. Kasi nang tinignan ko sa Facebook parang ang ganda naman. In fact, Instagrammable. Kagaya na lamang ng mga ganito. Parang ang gandang magpa-picture, diba? Kaya ito at amin ang susugurin ng mahusgahan. Kailangan na bang ihiwalay ang puti sa dekolor? Lul. So ito, at aming tinatahak ang daan patungong Barangay Hilamunan kung saan matatagpuan ang Happy Cap. Hilamunan is one of the Midland barangays of Kabangkalan, kaya napalibutan ng mga sugarcane plantation ang mga tanawin. It's a 15 to 20 minutes drive from the city proper.
A few moments later.
Ayan, 15 minutes na, kaya nandito na kami. Lul. Ano pa ang inaantay nyo? Tara, let's at ating papasukin. May paarko, ala bridge ang pa-entrance. Impernes may drama.
Sana all.
Siyempre may gatekeeper. Ang entrance ay 50 pesos with unlimited brewed coffee.
Sana all.
Bumaba ng kalahati kasi dati 100 pesos ang entrance nila. So kung coffee is life ang drama mo sa buhay, abay pumunta na dito at sa halagang 50 pwede ka nang magtampisaw sa kape. Lul. Of course, meron namang ibang mga blends na coffee-based or non-coffee-based drinks like latte, frappuccino, smoothies, lemonade and of course tubig. Actually, hindi lang siya pang coffee or refreshment house. It's a restaurant. In fact, lahat meron sila. Pang breakfast, like the silog meal na available kahit alas 2 ng hapon. Lul. May mga pang full meal ulam din like kansi. An Ilonggo specialty which is a fusion of Tagalog bulalo and sinigang. Bulalo because it's e-beef stew and sinigang because of its sour taste. Meron din silang mga burger, pizza and of course cakes. Lakas maka all-in-one, diba? And the best thing about Happy Cap, they employ person with disabilities. Most of their service crews are mute. But mind you, it's not the food or coffee that draws people in, it's the aesthetics of the place. Visitors come for the Instagrammable spots, seeking a vibrant and inviting atmosphere, perfect for hanging out with friends. The space bursts with color. From the stylish design of chairs, tables, and hammocks, to archways adorned with lights and eye-catching displays. Heart-shaped seats add a charming touch, while the lush greenery enhances the surroundings. Highlights include a giant bird's nest, a whimsical hobbit house, and an oversized chessboard, making it a truly fancy destination. Dumating kami ng tanghaling tapat, which is not a good idea, kung saan tirik na tirik ang haring araw. Diyos ko Lord! Sobrang init. At ang didilim ng mga picture, laging against the light. Nasira ang Instagram photos. Lul. Ma-enjoy mo yata ang place kung mga bandang hapon Lake 5 hanggang gabi. Kung saan bukas na ang mga ilaw para mas lalong ma-enhance ang mga display. The place reminds me of Puerto Princesa Baker's Hill. Adorned with fancy displays nestled in a forestry ambience a la Eco Park. Although a small version, may mga bahay kubo na pwedeng mapagsilungan sa gitna ng init habang magpicturan galore or simple eating. Kaya kung hanap nyo isang fancy getaway with friends or even family, Happy Cup is a perfect place to create lasting impressions and memories with them.